Remember DOS? You needed one of those plastic templates that fit over the top of your keyboard just to figure out what to do. That's exactly how AI feels to a lot of us right now. Intimidating, like a toy or something for someone younger. But once you've learned it, it will make your life so much easier. AI is the same leap, just newer. Remember typing something out on a typewriter? Making one mistake and having to retype the entire page? What a nightmare. That's the world we came from. And these tools take us so far past that. No fear, just practicality. Segment 2 of my ebook is dropping soon. And in that book, I show you exactly how AI fits into building your channel. Step by step, no fear, just practicality. Check the link in my bio.